Hi guys, welcome back to my Inari Japanese Cuisine channel. It's sudden, but do you like Sukiyaki? Sukiyaki is a Japanese cuisine made of beef, vegetable, tofu, and shirataki konjac noodle simmered warishita sauce. Take what you want to eat from the pot and dip it in raw egg and eat it. Very good! The sweetness of sugar and saltiness of soy sauce are exquisite! You can easily make at home, so let's make it together! Introduce ingredients. Beef is the absolute must when it comes to sukiyaki. The one with the right amount of the fat is delicious. And vegetables: Chinese cabbage, two kinds of mushroom, enoki and shiitake, green onion and onion, konjac noodles and tofu. Grilled tofu is good. The sauce is made with the sugar, soy sauce, mirin, and sake, and eggs. This is common ingredients in Japan. So let's cook it. First, boiled konjac noodles. Shirataki has a little smell at first, so it is better to boil it lightly. Eat about 1 minute. Drain the water and leave it alone. And then cut the vegetables. Cut the green onion diagonally 1 cm width. Then cut the onion 2 cm width. And shiitake mushroom. Cut the stem. This stem is edible, so don't throw it away. I will use it for miso soup later. And decorate the cap by inserting a kitchen knife. You can decorate it by making a slight diagonal cut with the kitchen knife from the both directions. If you change the direction and do this 3 times, it looks like snowflake. Cool! I will decorate the others in the same way. Then remove the hard bottom part of enoki. I will loosen it with my hands before putting in the pan, so this is all. And cut the Chinese cabbage 3 cm width. And then cut the tofu into bite-sized pieces. If you can't get the grilled tofu, use the cotton tofu. And cut the konjac noodles into bite-sized pieces. And let's prepare the sauce. Sukiyaki sauce is called warishita in Japan. Soy sauce, mirin, sake. Oh, the container is small, so it's transferred the others. And add sugar. And mix well. Then break the egg first and mix well. That's all. First, 1 teaspoon of olive oil and turn on medium heat. When the heat the pan, fry the green onion. When it gets brown like this, turn it over and cook both sides. And take it at once. Then put the beef on pan. At this time, I noticed that the beef I bought was small. I recommend that you prepare a large piece of beef. So add a little of sugar and soy sauce. Then turn on the medium heat and fry on both sides. Once both sides are grilled, I will taste it here once. This is Kansai style. Kansai is the area near Osaka. In the Kansai style, the beef is grilled first and then the sauce is added. Delicious! And then fry all the other beef in the same way and put it on the one side. If there are a lot of oil like this, remove a little with the kitchen paper. And then add the green onion, shiitake mushroom, onion, enoki mushroom, and tofu. And add sauce and konjac noodles. And cover and wait for 3 minutes. Then add the Chinese cabbage. I want it crunchy Chinese cabbage, so I put it in at the end. And cover again, so wait for 1 minute. Jajan! Compression of sukiyaki! Look at this beautiful sukiyaki!
So let's いただきます。
Do you eat your favorite food the first or the end? I save what I like until the last, but I can't stand it. I eat the beef first. The beef melts in my mouth, and the salty sweet sauce is the best. It's perfect. And it tastes even better when eaten with vegetables. Oh my goodness! So let's try it! And I made the miso soup with the leftover ingredients. They are listed in the overview column, so please try making it! Thank you for watching until the end. I'll continue to introduce a Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. See you next time!